What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Manor Lords. We are building a new residential area.
There we go.
The men are working hard at building it. So, we moved the woodcutter's lodge to over here, and we moved the lodging camp over there. And so we had these last video, and I went ahead and made them live animal pens, and they all have pigs, which pigs give a passive 2 meat every 150 days. So that's 4, 8, 12. Like, I don't know, you're looking at like 30 something something meat. If I did that right, let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, looking at 28, right? Yeah, 28 meat every 300 days, which is, I mean, it's not the best, but could definitely be worse. And it looks like everybody has picked all of the berries for the year. So now we're looking at 16 months of food, which is awesome. 790 berries, 61 vegetables, 7 meats, 2 honey. I would really like to start getting some farming done, but however, if you guys come here to farming and we go here to a field, rye, barley, all horrible spots to be farming over there. But if you go rye is really good over here and in this area. So I have them kind of working on this area here, and I'm going to kind of focus on this green spot so we can get that all nice and ready to go for farming. So this area is going to be the farm area. It's going to be kind of a massive farm area, but it'll be good. We're going to have rye, we're going to do barley, wheat. I think it's wheat. I think we can do wheat. I think. But yeah, everything's good looking out, man. So we're gonna keep on keeping on. I did create a new stable down here in this area. We do have some sheep here in the pastures. I don't know what they're doing. There's 9 out of 14. And then these ones haven't even been tapped into yet. So we'll see 0 and 0. So we're doing good. We got lots of money up here. Our approval is 80%. We have 143 people in our... All right, so we got some people moving in over here. And since I moved the woodcutter's lodge, I have placed some houses over here. And go ahead, and I'm just gonna make this chickens. And I'm debating. So if we go here, and I go to not mining, residential. I can build some huge residential housing, and I mean, I feel like that might be a waste of space, but at the same time, that is a lot of vegetables that would be that would need to be tended to. So I'm thinking maybe I could do like this and then come out this way and just do that. And then do the kind of the same over here, and then build like a little roadway that can go over here, and then put some housing over here. But the only thing is, I don't know if I'll be able to upgrade these to a level 2 or not, just because I don't know how like they're kind of far from the marketplace, but they're not really that far if you compare this one. Um, and I just don't want to get them too far to where I can't upgrade them because we definitely would like the regional wealth, if that makes sense. The other thing, I don't know if I just showed you guys this or not, but we could go like here, and then like here, or maybe like come up over there. I mean, that's a lot of housing, but it's really big fields, and I just don't know if that's going to be worth it or not. You know what I mean? Let's go down here. We're just going to keep on working this area for the trees. Let's see, like these houses, I can't upgrade them because of the marketplace. And I want to put another one over here, but I don't know if I can just yet because this one's really not that full. So like you can put some stuff over here and over there. But I feel like if we're going to continue expanding this way, we're definitely going to need another marketplace. I don't want to build over here because I feel like that'd be a good spot for housing. But like here to maybe like there maybe, but then it's I'm so indecisive on what I want to do. Like that wouldn't be a too bad of a marketplace either. But then again, we could just put it like right here on the corner. You know what I mean? So I'm going to try and figure this out real quick. Or I could go maybe one step further. Maybe do like that. That could be a marketplace. Do one there. Let's see, two. One. I mean, it would essentially work. It would essentially work. I could also like maybe come out this way. No, that's just, I don't know if that's a good spot. You know what we could do though with this spot? Build a house. There we go. Boom. So we got this spot here. Let me see. 13 out of 14. Maybe I could see about building that market stall now. And then maybe come out this way. Maybe come out this way, and then boom. That could be a marketplace. Just a nice little small one, nothing too crazy. So that way we can get some marketplace stalls over here. Also, we could do a granary, or not a granary. Maybe that's what I'm thinking of. Forger hut, no.
This is heavier than it looks.
Yeah, a granary. We can get one of those and put it here. So that way we have multiple. And I'm kind of going to just fast forward here. Oh, let's see. We're doing good on, how are we doing on food? Let me see. Food. 17 meat, 55 vegetables, 672 berries, and we got a couple eggs and a couple honey. So we're not doing too terribly bad. Let's go ahead and see if I can get that upgraded. Nobody's building a market over there yet. Can I build anybody? Nope. Anybody in this one? No, but we can expand the living quarters. So I'm going to do that. And we have 13 workers, man. That is crazy. So we got that. I don't know if, there we go. Look at that. Now we got a bunch of marketplaces. We got food stalls, food. Oh yeah, we're cooking now. Can I? There we go. Now we can upgrade these. Requirements not met. Water access. What do you need? What do you mean you don't have water access? Let's see. Water. We could put some water here. So I'm not really gonna. Well, we could start cutting in this way. But we really need to just focus on the farming aspect of it real quick. I can't put this anywhere, really. We could put it... It's kind of not in the right spot. Put that right there. We'll put it right there. So now it's, where are we at now? December? We got 12. Meat's gone. Good lord, the meat is just gone. And, you got anything? Oh, are we full on this one? We are. All right. So that means the weaver's shop. It's got some yarn there. We're doing good. I think we're doing mighty well. Let's see. Can we upgrade this yet? No people? No families in that one. We can upgrade that. New mercenaries. Let's see. Generic storage is full. I don't care about that. Large granary. Can't upgrade that yet. They have water access, so we should be able to upgrade these. There we go. Can upgrade that. There we go. I don't think we have one level 1 yet. Do we? I don't think we do. We finally got them all upgraded. Except for this one. We do have one, and it's this one. We get that taken care of, though. Small tavern. We don't have anybody. Let's go ahead and upgrade to a large tavern, just because we can. Anything here in the sheep farm we can do? Nothing. Nothing going on there. Got everybody maxed out on this. Some family. Are we out of a work area? We are. So let's go to advanced. And we'll start working on this spot. How we doing? Vegetables, meats, honey. I mean, at least we're not hurting for meat. We could kind of expand this over here. And then, let me see, construction, residential. Kind of come out this way. It's not quite big enough. What about this? That's good. Boom. Then we need to focus on this too. Can I build anything over here? No, we don't have enough timber yet. Also, we need some planks. So with that being said, let's get somebody over there. We're in February. We're doing good. We got 41 months of fuel. Holy smokes, man. That is a bunch. Let me see. 2.5 charcoal, 31 firewood. Yeah, we're doing pretty great. We're doing great. Snow is melting, so we're doing good on that. March. There we got some berries growing. All right, guys. So we are. Let me see. We're gonna be building some residential houses. And I think we're gonna go over here and then come this way. And that one's gonna be a little bit bigger. We'll go here and then kind of come this way. I feel like I don't know. I feel like that'll be all right. And then so we got one timber. I'm gonna kind of fill this up here. Kind of get that fast forwarding. And then what we can do from there is come out this way. I kind of want to use as much as possible. So maybe we'd go here. And then we kind of... I mean, that is quite the garden size for sure. I don't know if we could do maybe... I don't know. That's a good... I mean, we're just gonna have to get to that when we get to it. Just kind of do an update on everything here. We got plenty of planks. We're kind of suffering there on the timber, but we are trying to not weed out, but we're trying to clear out some area so we can do this for like farming. Let me go here to farming. There we go. I think we're gonna do rye. So we're gonna have to clean this up and then kind of come back up in here. Barley. I mean, this isn't really the best place for barley, like this map. So, I mean, we're gonna have to do the best we can. We're gonna have to grow a lot of it, a lot of it, so we can feed the people, pretty much. What work area? What work area? Oh, that work area. It's fine. Let's see. How we doing on food? 4 meat, 12 vegetables, 901 berries, 7 eggs, 2 fish. Nothing too bad. Trading post. Are we still importing? We're importing fish. Let me go 50 on that. Actually, let's go 100 on the fish. And let's import that. Let's do 50 on the meat. Let's see, we need some. We'll import apples and we'll go 50 on the apples. Because that's what our desired surplus. 12, so okay, we're good. I mean, the berries is what's doing it for us right now. We're just trying to survive at this point. Minus 126. Okay, I'm not worried about that. New family started moving in a burgage plot. Let's go ahead and get that vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and just get these all upgraded to vegetables. There we go. Get these all upgraded while I can. There we go. And then we can upgrade that. There we go. All right. I mean, we are just rolling right now. Let's see. How much wood? We got 16 timber. Let's check out the pastures. We're maxed out on that. Work area is empty. Advanced. Let's start cleaning out this area. Let's go ahead and get that. And then once, there we go. Vegetables. Boom. All right, let's see. Quite the vegetable garden, if you ask me. I mean, we're going to need a lot. I mean, these are just going to be the farmers. I mean, it's essentially, these are just going to be the farmers of the... I don't know how much I can do going this way. We can just do one big one. Nah, that's not gonna work. Let me see. We could do that. I don't like that. We can, or we could do that. I mean, that leaves that little area right there. I'd much rather, winter's fast approaching. Let's go ahead and kind of do this normal speed here. Can I go here? I mean, that's just one big one. Let's do that. I like that. And then we can do here. Do that. Boom. Boom. Perfect. This is gonna be our little farming area. We're gonna be making the money. Not making the money, but making the food. Okay, let's go ahead and get that fast forward. All right, so let's just kind of bring a breakdown here. So we have chicken coops. I got pigs, chicken coops. Got some farming there, and then these are like hides for goats, and these are pigs. We got some farming going on over here, and then lots of farming going on over here. So let's go ahead and get that. Let's get that. Get that going. I mean, we're gonna be so good on food. It's gonna be crazy. Oh wow, we got 562. Now we have 3. So let's go ahead and go to food. We just literally no trade. Okay, good. We're not trading. We literally just lost $3,000 in food. We just spent, I wouldn't say we lost, but we just spent $3,000 in food, and we're exporting charcoal. So let's take a look here at the food. So I have 64 fish, 4 honey, 40 apples, 30 eggs, 762 berries, lots of meat, lots of vegetables. So that $3,000, and you went to a good place. We need to get a tavern supply going. Yeah, I feel like I need to move this like over here, so I can get it out of the way. I'm gonna actually do that. Ooh, should I do that? No. Okay, so we got a lot going on here. We're getting into winter. Got 13 months of food, so we're doing fine there. 70. So we can. Let me see. Is that vegetables? Yeah, that's vegetables. That's vegetables. Got vegetables everywhere. Vegetables here. Vegetables are there. Vegetables are there. Vegetables are there. Can't do anything there. We should be able to start upgrading these houses to level 2. We got plenty of... Well, we did have plenty of timber. We do have plenty of timber. What's going on here? Water access. Ooh, yeah, you guys may need some water, don't you? Let me go here to construction. Let's get a well. I feel like a well right here would be fine. Let's make that very high. It's not going to impede with anything, so we're good on that. Kind of centralized. We got this well. There's a well over here. We got a well over here, so we can, if we wanted to, we can make a little housing area over here if we wanted to. I think we'd be fine with the well. So while that's getting built, I'm gonna go over here to farming. Rye. So this is a good area for rye. Let's see. Field. Rye. And we're gonna start the rye field here. We'll come out. Yeah, we'll come out this way. Come out this way. Come out here. And then that would be maybe one field of rye. We can come over here. Come over here. That's good. And then probably come this way. Actually, we could probably, yeah, let's do that. This way, boom. So this can be, so we're going to get some, obviously we got to get some farmland going so we can come out this way. There we go. Actually, I think I'm going to put the farm and everything like right in, maybe like over here. Or we could put it right here. Think about that. Let's see, go here, come over here. I want to keep these kind of relatively small. That way we don't really have to use a plow or anything. Okay, so we're going to need farmhouse. Farmhouse. I'm going to put the farmhouse right here. And then we'll go ahead and put the... Let's do that there. We'll put that there. And where's the malt house? Malt house. Is that industry? Malt house. There it is. Boom. There we go. And we should have the well over here already. And we do. So, vegetables. I don't know if people are in here yet. No, they're not. That's fine, though. We got lots of money. Ain't worried about it. Vegetables. Cool. We're all good on that end. Let's upgrade that. Upgrade that. Can't do that yet. Why not? What can we upgrade? Oh, we don't have enough planks. We need more planks. Son of a gun. Okay, let's get that going. We're all out of workspace. Okay, so that's fine. We can go over here and